Hey everyone. Well, I thought I was recording this whole time, so I've already done one withdrawal from YourNetProfits. So, yeah, I did a Bitcoin withdrawal. Basically, just make sure in your account that your Bitcoin address is, in my case, I'm using an Exodus wallet. See right there, you can see my pending withdrawal. Hit the little arrow to grab the old style address and make sure that's in your edit account section for your Bitcoin. Right now I am in the process of withdrawing Litecoin. Give it just a second to reload my 2FA. We're drawing $7 of that. I did $5 in Bitcoin. I have deposited, and I have some Bitcoin deposited, Doge, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So hopefully, the site's been low. It's getting DDosed heavily today. So basically it's denial of service. They're just hitting the site with a whole bunch of bots to lag it out. So we may have to come back. You'll be able to hear it hit the wallet here in just a second. Lion's share, I've had a couple people join underneath me. I've got to get them down to these tiers to get paid here. And I haven't had anybody sign up on Comp Plan 1 yet. This is one of the multi-level deals. Wow, completely lost my train of thought. So you can make money from your upline and your downline if you get people signed up underneath you. So keep that in mind. And there is spillover, so there's a lot of spillover. This whole platform works on spillover. T2X. I can't tell you how excited I am about this site. Dang it. That means it didn't process. T2X, I'm extremely excited about this site. I keep getting more and more dividends each day. I did put out a whole video on this one last night, so I'm not going to spend too much time here. There we go. I've already ROI'd on my first deposit. I only put in 3,215 TRX, and I'm at 3,467. So one of my buddies has withdrawn. He did a 3-day just to see, make sure to withdraw and make sure he'd get his deal. So I'm fully into this. It's gonna be fun. So yesterday I was at 4,000 Tron in GooseBet. I went pretty heavy into the crash game yesterday. You can see I started yesterday with 924 and I ended with 962 GooseBet tokens. Let's go over here to rewards. I mean, this is how heavy I went in. I hit 47,500. So in one day, I think I was at like 20,000. So I did 20,000, 27,000 worth of Tron betting yesterday from my 4 grand. Crazy part is I lost some. Yes, the house is always supposed to win. We may not get this. Let's see, boats. That's not a boat. I'm not a human. We may not get this. Oh my gosh. May not get this withdrawal. Train, car, bus, 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 train. I don't understand why people DDos sites. I really don't. We'll let that load. Where was I? So I'm actually probably gonna pull out at least 2,000 back out of here. I need it for my T2X, so I gotta make sure I protect that. I got 10 days worth of it there, and I need that last 2,000 for that last day. I mean, I can always buy some more, but I'm trying to protect what I got. So I'm yeah. You know what? Let's just go ahead and withdraw it so I don't get any stupid ideas. Did I lose my music? Nope, there it is. 2,000. Withdraw. Huh, that's weird. Let's see if it hit. What we'll do is go ahead and start this. Ooh, I think it loaded. Alright. We'll give it one more try. Real quick. Litecoin. Yep, so I did pull out my money. Okay. There we go. I need to pull out some more. Okay. This may not happen right now. As much as I want to show y'all me doing it live, I don't know if it's going to happen with all the DDoS attack happening. Come on. Alright. Turbo, auto, minimum. Start and let that run. I'm going to go ahead and pull out an extra 200. Nope. Address and 200. Alright. Alright, and I did pull out of here $1.3. Like I said, I thought it was recording earlier. So, that was my bad. Also, a couple days ago, apparently, I had someone actually join under me here. So, I got 343 in rewards. So, I've added that to the sheet too, and I added this to the sheet. Yeah, I'll have to come back and do this later, guys. But let me go ahead and update here. So 22 is 38. Everything else has been updated. I did not update the YourProfits.net. Let me yeah, BTC to LTC. Let me grab however much 0.0053531. Yeah. Alright, so basically 0.12 Litecoin. So we'll go ahead and add that over here too. Alright, so we're making some progress, slowly getting back out of that. I have made some more deposits into that too, so basically I'm just converting it all to Litecoin so it's easier to track for me. If y'all have any questions or want to join any of these, hopefully the DDos attack stops pretty soon, or they get it handled on YourNetProfits. But yeah, all the links for these to join will be in the description below. Y'all have a wonderful Wednesday. I will talk to y'all later. Bye bye.